what is AI prompting, right? What is an AI prompt? So, a prompt is the input you give an AI tool, and it tells the AI what to do and how to respond. And also, prompts help shape the tone, depth, and usefulness of what you're trying to accomplish. So, think of an AI prompt as more of directions for AI, right? Artificial intelligence, it is powerful, but it can't read our minds. So the quality of what you put in it is what you're going to receive. And it really just depends on how well you're explaining what you want and what it's for and what should the final output look like.